YouTube, what it do, man? Today is the day that I've been waiting for about a couple of days now. It ain't been that long. I ain't even been saying cap y'all like I've been waiting that long. But last week, well, hold on, wait a minute. First of all, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and then we'll continue the video. Y'all ready? All right. So last week I went ahead, man, and made the decision to replace the motor in the truck instead of having to rebuild. And I got online or whatever and decided and found one that I like or whatever with low miles or whatever. And I went ahead and pulled the trigger on it, man. And today is the day that it comes in, and today is the day that it comes in, I guess. But so before y'all get all tight, no, this is not finna be an LS swap. Sorry, not finna be an LS swap, because like I said, we just building it as somewhat of a slash work truck, cruiser, brand truck. So it's gonna be kind of branded towards the Big Joe World brand that we're trying to create, and it's gonna be just something we can get in and ride. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't trying to blow past nobody. I ain't trying to race nobody. I ain't trying to come in there with the loudest pipes and blah, 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 blah. I ain't trying to do all that. At least not with that truck. So when it get here, man, I guess I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, you know what I'm saying? To see how the process goes, or whatever. And I guess I can go ahead and tell y'all. So I ordered it from eBay from a company called LKQ. Motor's coming out of Florida, and like I said, it's low mileage, 137K. If you ever order from LKQ on eBay and you want to know how that process go, this is the video for you. We're gonna break it down in this video, or whatever. So with this process, once I found the motor, you know, made sure the VIN and all that stuff matched up or whatever, and got everything put in, and everything was a guaranteed fit. I even had my mechanic look at it and tell me, was it gonna be a guaranteed fit or not? He agreed. Once we made the purchase on eBay, I think they have an app and a website as well you can go to and directly purchase from them. But I ended up going through eBay. You know, of course, not knowing how that process worked, wanted some extra protection or whatever. So anyway, yeah, once I made the purchase, once the payment was final, they came back and they asked me again to verify fitment. And, you know, they was like, well, send the VIN number, I think it was just the VIN number. It might have been something else. But send that information in so we can verify for you if this vehicle will fit. And we did all that, went through the process. Everything was smooth. I ordered it. I ordered it on the 20th, and today is the 26th, and we're about to get ready to take delivery of it. So now on their website, they do say that they only gonna drop the curbside. They're not gonna, can't bring it in your garage. They can't bring it in. If you put it in your vehicle and all that stuff. So that's crazy work, but it's cool. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see how that process go. If you know that motor is heavy, it's hard. I ain't got nothing to really move with, so hopefully we can get them to put it in the garage for us or whatever, man. Drop down in the comments if you ever order from them and you know about this process to maybe help somebody else who may want to go through this process, dealing with LKQ or dealing with trying to get a motor online or whatever. And it did come with a warranty, you know what I'm saying? It do come with like a, let me misquote it. I want to say it was a 6-month warranty on the parts. I have to go back and check my notes. I think it's a 6-month warranty or whatever on the parts. And so far it's been a smooth transaction. So far it's been smooth. And I hope the delivery process goes the same. Probably won't unveil it today if it's coming wrapped up or whatever, but I will show y'all, once it get off and whatever. But I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, man. Y'all still hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. No, hell, hit the share button too, you know what I'm saying? Might as well do something extra, you know what I'm saying? So we can continue, bro. But once the motor get here, man, I'll turn this thing back on and we'll go from there. Holla at your boy. And we ain't Alright, as y'all can see, got the motor in, man. Probably not gonna unveil it today, but it's fresh off the truck. If you wonder where I got it from, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in the description. But LKQ, I ordered the motor off eBay. It's a 5.7 Chevy motor for a 97 on-up truck. Low miles, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, low miles, man, pretty much. Comes with a little warranty or whatever. And she should be ready to go in. She should fire right in. I'm really ready to unveil it and see what it look like myself, but I won't do it today because I'm finna go back here and go to bed. Cause still gotta go to work tonight. Bummer. But anyway. Just wanted to tap in with y'all, man. Give y'all a little update on what we had going on and what's going on. See, we still got the baby right there. Yeah, man. And, when I get ready to unveil it, you know what I'm saying, I'll, of course, bring y'all with me or whatever. And hopefully we can get this thing put in soon so we can get on the road, man. I'm ready to ride. You know what I mean? Yep, that's it for this episode, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all hit that like, hit that subscribe button. And stay tuned for the next video, man.